So we are gonna talking about the anatomy of the eyeball. Um, so first, the each eyeball is a cystic structure kept distended by the pressure inside it. Okay. So then shape. It has a shape, although generally referred to as a globe. The eyeball is not a sphere, but an ablate spheroid consisting of a two modifiers sphere fused together. So आईबॉल जो है वो स्पीयर नहीं है, बट वो एब्लेट स्पेरॉइड है. एब्लेट स्पेरॉइड में दिस शेप इज कॉल्ड एज एन एब्लेट स्पेरॉइड. ओके. देन cornea. Second, the cornea is a part of the anterior smaller sphere with a radius of about 7.8 mm. Okay. Then cornea is a part of the anterior. So which is the cornea? This is cornea. This is the front. This front part is called as a cornea. In this diagram, this is the anterior part which is called as a cornea. Cornea is a how much? Okay. Cornea, the radius of cornea is a 7.8 mm. 7.8 mm is a radius of the cornea. Then second, the sclera. The sclera is a part of the posterior larger sphere with a radius of about 12 mm. Okay. Then the sclera is a posterior larger sphere. This outermost layer which is called as a sclera. This outermost layer which is called as a sclera is the outermost part, and the radius of about a 12 mm. This is a 12 mm. This is the sclera, outermost part. Sclera, its 12 radius is about a 12 mm. Then poles. Then the central point on the maximal convexities of the anterior and posterior curvature of the eyeball. Okay. The poles, the central point on the maximal convexities of the anterior and posterior curvature of the eyeball. Okay. So this is the anterior pole and this is the posterior pole. So that distance is called as a anterior-posterior diameter, and this is the vertical diameter which is we called as an equator. Okay, geometric equator. And this part is called as a transverse diameter, and this central is called as an axis. This central diameter is called as axis. Then equator. So the equator of the eyeball lies at a mid-plane between two poles. Mid-plane between the two poles. So equator किस में lie है? Equator is lie on a two pole between anterior pole and posterior pole. This vertical diameter and this circle is called as an geometric equator. Okay, this is called as geometric equator. Then the dimensions of adult eyeball. Dimensions of adult eyeball में क्या है? Anteroposterior diameter is 24 mm. Anteroposterior diameter क्या है? 24 mm है. So in which diagram anteroposterior diameter is 24 mm. Okay. Then क्या है? Horizontal diameter is 23.5 mm. This horizontal diameter is 23.5 mm. Then vertical diameter is 23 mm. Okay, this vertical diameter is 23 mm. Okay. Then circumference is 75 mm, volume is 6.5 ml, and weight is 7 grams. Circumference means this whole space. This whole space is called as circumference, and circumference is 75 mm. Okay. Then the codes of the eyeball. Codes of eyeball is comprises of three codes. First is a outer fibrous coat, then second is a middle vascular coat, and third one is a inner nervous coat. Third one is an inner nervous coat. Okay. So in which diagram this outer coat, this first one outer coat is a fibrous coat, outer coat. Okay, outer coat. Then second is a middle is a vascular coat, and the innermost coat is called as a nervous coat. Okay, this called as a nervous coat. So then first coat is a fibrous coat. Fibrous coat क्या है? Fibrous coat is a dense strong wall which protects the intraocular contents. Okay, intraocular fibrous coat जो है वो dense strong wall है, वो protect करता है intraocular contents को. Then उसके बाद है anterior 1/6 of this fibrous coat is transparent and is called as a cornea. Anterior 1/6. Okay, this is the anterior 1/6 transparent part which is called as a cornea. cornea जो है वो transparent रहती है, वो anterior 1/6 part है. anterior 1/6 part. Okay, anterior 1/6 part है. Then second posterior 5/6 opaque part is called as a sclera. sclera जो है वो posterior part है, आई बॉल के पोस्टेरियर का पार्ट विच इज कॉल्ड एज स्क्लेरा. स्क्लेरा इज 5/6 ओपेक पार्ट. स्क्लेरा इज है ना 5/6 ओपेक पार्ट है आई बॉल का. देन cornea is set into the sclera just like a watch glass. When we see the eyeball when we see the open eyeball, so this is the cornea. Okay, and this is the pupil. So the distance between the cornea and the sclera is called as the junction between the cornea and sclera is called as a limbus. So ये जो लेयर है इसको हम लिम्बस बोलते हैं, लिम्बस. Okay, then next then conjunctiva is firmly attached at the limbus. conjunctiva attached रहती है limbus को. Then second है vascular coat also called as a uveal tissue. Okay, it supplies the nutrition to the various structure of the eyeball. vascular coat, ये जो vascular coat है second most, वो supply करता है पूरे eyeball को, structure of the eyeball को. Then it consists of 3 parts from the anterior to posterior. ये divided है anterior to posteriorly, by which are the iris, ciliary body and choroid. anterior to posteriorly ये divided है by this is the iris. Okay, iris को अटैच्ड रहता है ciliary body, and choroid is a second most layer. Okay, choroid. Then third is a nervous coat. Nervous coat, it is concerned with a visual functions project to the visual cortex through the visual pathway. Okay, ये जो थर्ड है नर्वस कोट, इनर नर्वस कोट जो रेटिना रहता है वो विजुअल फंक्शन प्रोजेक्ट करता है, उसका फंक्शन है विजुअल फंक्शन प्रोजेक्ट करने का थ्रू द विजुअल पाथवे. ओके, then second one is a segment and chamber of the eyeball. eyeball के 2 segment है, anterior segment and posterior segment. The eyeball can be divided into 2 segment, anterior and posterior. So the anterior segment, first one which is the anterior segment, and it includes the crystalline lens which is suspended from the ciliary body by the zonules. It includes the crystalline lens. Okay, this includes the crystalline lens. And suspended from the ciliary body. Crystalline lens, this is the crystalline lens which is suspended by the ciliary body. These are zonules and these are the ciliary body. ciliary body, then ciliary body and two aqueous humor filled spaces anterior and posterior chamber. टू एक्वियस ह्यूमर, ये जो हमारा ये एंटीरियर सेगमेंट है, ये पोस्टेरियर सेगमेंट है. एंटीरियर सेगमेंट फिल्ड विथ एक्वियस ह्यूमर एंड पोस्टेरियर सेगमेंट फिल करता है विट्रियस ह्यूमर को. सो एंटीरियर सेगमेंट जो है वो डिवाइडेड है एंटीरियर चेम्बर एंड पोस्टेरियर चेम्बर में. So first one is the anterior chamber. It is bounded by anteriorly by the back of the cornea, posteriorly by the anterior surface of the iris and part of ciliary body. It is bounded by anteriorly by the back of the cornea. Bounded by, ये क्या है? Anteriorly by the back of the cornea. This is the back of the cornea. Okay, this is the back of the cornea. Then posteriorly by the anterior surface of iris. Posteriorly जो है anterior surface ये है iris, और iris का anterior surface this is the anterior surface of the iris and part of a ciliary body, and this is iris is attached to the ciliary body. So the part of the ciliary body. Then second, the anterior chamber is about 2.5 mm deep in the center of the normal adults. ये जो anterior chamber है, anterior chamber क्या fill करता है? back surface of the cornea, anterior surface of the iris and part of the ciliary body. So ये जो anterior surface anterior chamber है is about 2.5 mm है anterior chamber. So इधर लिखते हैं हम चेम्बर अबाउट 2.5 mm एक्वियस ह्यूमर फिल करता है दिस कॉर्निया, iris and ciliary body. This is the anterior chamber. Okay. Then second, it is slightly shallower in hypermetropes and deeper in myopes, but almost equal in two eyes of the same individuals. It is slightly shallower in hypermetropes. So ये shallow है hypermetropia में. hypermetropia मतलब ऐसी कंडीशन है जिसमें हमको नियर विजन नहीं दिखता है. सो उसमें ये शॉलोवर है और डीपर इन मायोप्स है. सो मायोपिया ऐसी कंडीशन है जिसमें हमें दूर का नहीं दिखाई देता, उसमें ये डीपर है एक्वियस ह्यूमर, बट ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल इन टू आइज ऑफ अ सेम इंडिविजुअल. और इक्वल है जो जिस पर्सन के टू आइज से टू आइज इक्वल है. सो it contains about a 0.25 ml of aqueous humor. ये कंटेन करता है 0.25 mm aqueous humor and it communicates with a posterior chamber through the pupil. और ये यहाँ है हमारा pupil. So it communicates through the posterior chamber. ये कम्युनिकेट करता है इस पोस्टेरियर चेम्बर को थ्रू द प्यूपिल के थ्रू ये कम्युनिकेट करता है. सो देन सेकेंड वन इज अ posterior chamber. Posterior chamber is a triangular space containing 0.06 ml of aqueous humor. So the posterior chamber जो है, posterior chamber ये है, this is the triangular space. This posterior chamber triangular space containing the 0.06 ml of aqueous humor. Posterior chamber containing 0.06 ml of aqueous humor. 0.06 ml of aqueous humor contain करता है. Then it is bounded by anteriorly by the posterior surface of iris, part of ciliary body, and posteriorly by the crystalline lens and its granules, and laterally by the ciliary body. It is bounded by anteriorly by the posterior surface of the iris. So ये किसको bounded करता है? Posteriorly by the anterior surface of the iris. anteriorly by the posterior surface of iris, and part of this is the ciliary body, part of ciliary body, and posteriorly this is the posterior posteriorly by the this is the posterior surface, posteriorly by the crystalline lens and its zonules, this is the zonules, okay, this is the zonules, and laterally by the ciliary body, and laterally ciliary body को बाउंडेड करता है. Then second is a posterior segment. Posterior segment, it includes the structure posterior to lens with a vitreous humor, a gel-like structure which fills the space behind the lens, retina, choroid and optic disc. So posterior segment क्या fill करता है? Vitreous humor. Okay. Posterior, this is the posterior segment. Okay. For this posterior segment क्या fill करता है? Vitreous humor. Structure fills the vitreous humor and a gel-like structure which fills a space behind the lens, and retina, choroid and optic disc, or which is bounded by the, this is the innermost layer which is called as a retina. Then second most layer is a choroid. Here इधर हमने मेंशन किया है retina, choroid and the optic disc. When this goes, so here इधर ऑप्टिक डिस्क रहता है. सो ऑप्टिक डिस्क का, सो पोस्टेरियर सेगमेंट क्या क्या फिल करता है? रेटिना, कोरॉइड, ऑप्टिक डिस्क एंड विट्रियस ह्यूमर. So this is the video about the introduction and anatomy of the eyeball. Thank you.